It's such a lonely feeling. Whatever I say or do, I'll always be lost in you. When you told me forever more, I must have been dreaming. This picture of you and me, it wasn't meant to be. We used to play house way out in Brooklyn, and in the middle of July we had a fight. Now I'm looking at this little tent on my pillow, and I don't know